Hello, my dear students. This term, we are going to work on nutrition and health promotion. Why? Because to learn well, we need to eat well. This week, we are going to study the 5 food groups. The objective of this lesson is that you will describe and classify the 5 major food groups, including recommended portions to eat from each group. Eating right every day. Nutrition plays a key role in our healthy development. Nutritious foods provide our body and mind with the energy we need to grow, feel well, be active, stay healthy, and learn. Make smart choices from every food group. Eating fruit from the food diet pyramid and being physically active will help you grow healthy and strong. Eat a variety of foods. A balanced diet is one that includes all the food groups. We are going to explore the food diet pyramid to learn about the food groups. The food we need to eat are organized into a pyramid with 5 groups. Number 1, grain. This is the food group that we should eat most often. It includes any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, bread, pasta, breakfast cereals, tortilla, popcorn, cracker, pretzel, noodles, or another cereal grain. We should eat between 6 and 11 servings from this group every day. Bread products provide us with carbohydrates which give us energy. Fruit and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables give us fiber and important vitamins and minerals. We should eat at least 3 servings of fruit and 3 to 5 servings of vegetables every day. Dairy. We should have 2 to 4 servings from the dairy food group every day. Milk, yogurt, cheese, ice cream, and pudding are some examples of food in the milk group. This is the best source of calcium, which we need to make our bones strong. Meat and protein. We should eat 2 to 3 servings a day of the food in this group. The food group includes beef, lamb, pork, chicken, turkey, fish, tuna, crawfish, dried beans, crab, shrimp, eggs, beans, nuts, and sunflower seeds. The foods from this group give us proteins, iron, and zinc. Fats, oils, and sweets. Oils are fats. Cooking oil, butter, mayonnaise, chips, dips, and salad dressing are some examples of foods in the fat and oil group. Candy, desserts, and soft drinks are some examples of food in the sweet group. Sweets have a lot of sugar and have no vitamin or nutrients. Fats, oils, and sweets provide hardly any nutrition for the body, so we should eat very little from this food group. Eat well and stay healthy. You may want to keep a daily food diary for a week. Don't forget daily physical activity is important too. At the end of the week, check to see if you made healthy choices. What changes should you make to eat more healthy? Decide what changes you need to make for a healthier diet. Start by making small changes like switching to low-fat products, serving yourself extra serving of fruit and vegetables, and choosing healthy snacks. Make changes slowly until healthy eating becomes a good way of life. You can make changes little by little. Take one step at a time. Don't forget physical activity. Becoming a healthier you isn't just about eating healthy. It's also about physical activity. Regular physical activity is important for your health and fitness. Physical activity simply means movement of the body that uses energy. Walking, hiking, cycling, swimming, dancing, gardening, discipline, pushing a baby stroller, climbing the stairs, or playing soccer are all good examples of being active. Adults should be physically active for at least 30 minutes a day. Children and teenagers, as you, should be physically active for 60 minutes a day.